Hi there, and thanks for joining us. Today, we're looking at troubleshooting hydraulic tools. But first, the purpose of this video is just to help identify the problems. If your tools need to be serviced or repaired, only qualified technicians should do this. So, what are the things to watch out for? Let's get started. First up, if your tools experience loss of power or slower operation, this could mean there's air in the system, or that the fluid level is too low. Next, overheating. This can be caused by overworking the tool and pump, or because of a blocked cooling system. Ensure vents are clear and that the correct grade of hydraulic fluid is being used. Another thing to watch out for is excessive noise or vibration. This could indicate loose components, worn-out parts, or in extreme cases, cavitation, when vapor bubbles form and collapse in the hydraulic fluid. Next, leaks are often a result of damaged seals or hoses. Regularly inspect these to avoid bigger issues down the line, but never use your hands to check when the system is pressurized. If experiencing no power at all, start with the obvious, by checking the power source and ensure everything is plugged in correctly. Next, erratic movement of your tools usually points to contamination in the hydraulic fluid, air in the system, or internal wear. Check the condition of the oil and replace if needed. So, to wrap up, stay vigilant and watch out for these warning signs to help keep your tools running smoothly. And if your tools do need repairing, don't attempt to do it yourself. Always contact an authorized service center. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.